Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at the desktop version of the Hazard and Incident Reports module. This module is designed to record and notify relevant personnel of incidents or accidents that occur around the workplace and to identify the causes and prevent similar incidents from occurring again. Like all system modules, access and inclusions visible in this module vary according to individual user access levels that are controlled in the User Management module. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything just as a workplace administrator would see it. The module features the same fundamental layout as all modules in the system. Below the module name and icon are the main controls. In this case, a link back to the home page, the option to add a new record, and the option to export all data from the module in a CSV file. To the right are the module help notes and a link to this video tutorial. And below is the module list view. The controls at the top of the list and in the column headings allow you to search, filter and sort the list according to various criteria. The small export icon at the far right of the search and filter tools exports only the records that are displaying after filtering. And just like the main export function, this allows selection of the data fields that are included in the export report. Mousing over the Actions icon displays the various options for managing records in the module. To add a new Hazard and Incident Report, select the plus icon, which displays the Hazard and Incident Report form. Selecting the up icon at the top of the form returns to the list view, but does not save the record. Below the form help information, the form is split into 7 sections: the report details, incident details, the primary person involved or the witness, other people involved, corrective preventative actions, internal notifications and insurer notification. All of the form fields in this module clearly explain the input required, and the extensive form help areas and field-based tooltips explain all the form functions in detail. When the form's completed, remember to click Save and return to the list of records in this module. When the form is saved, the system will alert you if any new tasks were created based on the responses given in the form, including those you set in the corrective preventative action section of the form. The form can be subsequently updated as required, and a save history is displayed at the bottom of the form, which is updated each time it's resaved, storing the date and the user who saved the record. And that concludes this tutorial on the Hazard and Incident Reports module. For more information, please refer to the module help areas, the form assistance and the field-based tooltips. Thanks for watching.